Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your phone or laptop supports USB-C audio. This matters because some ports carry analog signals while others require a digital-to-analog converter. Once confirmed, pick the right adapter, passive versus active DAC, because that affects quality and power. Make sure the port is clean, then plug the adapter in firmly. After connection, lower the volume to protect ears and speakers. If prompted, choose the USB audio output. This fast, deliberate start prevents mismatched hardware and noisy. Once connected, plug your headphones into the adapter and make sure the plug seats fully. Intermittent contact causes crackle. Then, open System Audio Settings and select the USB-C device as the output, because the host needs that instruction to route sound. Set sample rate and bit depth if available, higher values for better quality, but increase CPU use. Play a familiar track to test clarity. Adjust gain and application volume to avoid clipping. If you hear noise, reseat connections and recheck settings. To finish, fine-tune equalizer or app presets so the sound matches your preference. Save profiles for quick recall. When done listening, stop playback, and if your OS asks, eject the USB audio device before unplugging to avoid glitches. Store the adapter carefully to avoid bent pins. If audio fails, follow one key troubleshooting step. Reboot the host device. Many USB audio negotiations reset on restart. If that fails, try a different adapter and confirm OTG or USB audio permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.